friends. I'm Luna the Owl, your guide on this delightful farm. Let's flap our wings and discover all the amazing animals living here together. 1. Can you guess whose shadow this is from the sound? COW, cow. What do we get from cow? Milk, the most common product sourced from cows, used for drinking and making dairy products like cheese, yogurt, and butter. 2. Can you guess whose shadow this is from the sound? A seahorse. What do we need horse in the farm? Horses help the farmer by being fast, strong, and friendly helpers on the farm. 3. Can you guess whose shadow this is from the sound? Sheep. Why sheep is important to the farmer? Sheep are very useful on a farm because they give us food, help take care of the land, and provide materials for clothing. 4. Can you guess whose shadow this is from the sound? Pig. What are some reasons that pigs are valuable on a farm? Pigs are very useful animals on a farm by providing food, helping with waste management, and even by being smart and interesting animals to learn about. 5. Can you guess whose shadow this is from the sound? Duck. What do farmers get from ducks on the farm? Ducks provide food, help in making comfy bedding, and even keep the farm clean and healthy. 6. Can you guess whose shadow this is from the sound? Chicken. What do farmers get from chicken on the farm? Chickens give us food, help keep the farm clean, and make the soil better for growing crops. 7. Can you guess whose shadow this is from the sound? Rabbit. Why do we need rabbit in the farm? Rabbits are valuable on farms because they provide lean meat, soft wool, effective fertilizer, natural weed control, and make friendly pet. 8. Can you guess whose shadow this is from the sound? Goat. Why do we need goat in the farm? Goats are beneficial on farms because they provide milk, cheese, meat, and can help manage weeds and brush, making them versatile and economical farm animals. 9. Can you guess whose shadow this is from the sound? Donkey. Why do we need donkey in the farm? Donkeys are valuable on farms for their ability to carry loads, protect livestock from predators, and help with field work, making them versatile and dependable working animals. 10. Can you guess whose shadow this is from the sound? Goose? Why do we need goose in the farm? Geese are useful on farms for their ability to lay eggs, provide meat and feathers, and naturally guard the property by alerting farmers to unfamiliar visitors with their loud honking. 11. Can you guess whose shadow this is from the sound? Why do we need bee in the farm? Bees are essential on farms for pollinating crops, which increases fruit and vegetable yields, and they also produce honey and beeswax as valuable byproducts. 12. Can you guess whose shadow this is from the sound? Buffalo. Why do we need buffalo in the farm? Buffalo are valuable on farms for providing lean meat, rich milk, durable leather, and they can also serve as strong draft animals for field work. 13. Can you guess whose shadow this is from the sound? Camel. Why do we need camel in the farm? Camels are valuable on farms, especially in arid regions, for providing milk, meat, wool, and efficient transportation due to their ability to travel long distances without water. 14. Can you guess whose shadow this is from the sound? Cat. Why do we need cat in the farm? Cats are essential on farms for controlling pests by hunting rodents that can damage crops and stored food supplies. 15. Can you guess whose shadow this is from the sound? Dog. Why do we need dog in the farm? Dogs are invaluable on farms for herding livestock, providing security by guarding property, and offering companionship to farm families. Thank you for watching the Little Owl Luna Farm. Please subscribe to enjoy more fun. See you soon!